Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Monday, the beginning of a new week here in the kitchen. I want to go back to Friday, which was Robin's birthday, where I did the Latin lasagna. Oh, most excellent. Not the prettiest, but honestly, what homemade lasagna ever is. Yeah. Restaurant quality, restaurant flavoring, just absolutely beautiful. All right. Saturday was really good. That was a fun meal, fun dish. Last night was a culinary expedition night. We were in Malta, where I prepared Maltese carbonara over pasta. Yum. Fun veggie dish. Tomatoes, red bell pepper, onion, eggplant. I used Chinese eggplant because it's what they had at the store. You know, and garlic and use white balsamic. Yummy! It was really good. Robin has leftovers to take to work. Yeah. So tonight we're going super simple, super easy. It's breakfast for dinner. Real simple. We're doing poached eggs with an immersion blender Hollandaise sauce. My immersion blender, aka boat motor, is on its last legs. I brought it back to life just a few minutes ago. Barely. So I'll be doing some research today. So it's going to be poached eggs, Hollandaise, potatoes O'Brien, or O'Brien potatoes, however you want to say it, and good old ham steak. Simple, but yummy. Robin loves Hollandaise sauce with extra lemon. How do you like your Hollandaise? All right, so on this Monday, we're going to have a nice day, but the rain is coming tonight, according to Mr. Bob Harlan. So we're going to have rain through Tuesday. Enough of the weather. The nice weather is coming. I promise. Well, at least Bob promises. As much as a weather person can. All right, so on this Monday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.